How to fix gallery video not playing problem on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix our gallery video not working on Android. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that issue, you just need to open up the settings of your device, the main settings. After opening up your settings, just scroll down a bit until you see apps option. Just tap on apps option here. And the first thing I want you to do is just search for gallery, or you may just scroll down until you see gallery. After that, just tap on that gallery option and scroll down until you see storage. After that, just tap on storage and tap on clear cache. After that, get back, and here the next thing I want you to do is just tap on three dot here and tap on reset app preferences. Just tap on it and you can see this reset confirmation. Just tap on reset and you should be done. And just like that, you can fix your issue of your gallery video not working on your Android device very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.